Ready to unlock the power of seamless automation and send personalized WhatsApp messages based on your favorite app events? Today, we'll show you how to easily connect Aisensy to Pabbly Connect in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account and click on the Create Workflow button to start a new automation. Give your workflow a descriptive name, something like Aisensy WhatsApp Automation, and then click Create. Now, it's time to set up your trigger. This is the event that will initiate your workflow. Search for the application you want to use as a trigger, for example, a new lead in your CRM. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your chosen trigger app to Pabbly Connect. You'll likely need to authorize the connection or provide a webhook URL. Next, let's add Aisensy as the action. App search for Aisensy in the action search bar and select it. Choose the action you want to perform in Aisensy. The most common one is send WhatsApp message. Now you'll need to connect your Aisensy account. Enter your Aisensy API key and the WhatsApp number associated with your account. You can find these details in your Aisensy dashboard. Click Save. Configure the message details. Map the phone number from your trigger app to the recipient number field and craft your message using dynamic fields from your trigger data. Personalize your message for maximum impact. Before activating your workflow, test it. Click on the test button to send a sample message to your WhatsApp number and make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, toggle the switch to activate your workflow, and that's it. Now, whenever the trigger event occurs in your connected app, Pabbly Connect will automatically send a WhatsApp message through Aisensy.